My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Didn't get him.
It's sold out.
I'm getting it.
Oh yeah.
Sold out. It loaded, sold out.
Yeah.
What the heck?
Oh, now the
NSV.
password page is back. Now it's not. Oh my god.
Yeah, NSV said
Very shortly, the Cactus Plant flea market Vapor Maxes are going to be dropping on Human Made, but there is something that tells me that the stock levels are going to be unbelievably low.
10 seconds.
Timer.
You're welcome.
get ready to mass link change if they do.
Okay. All the pages
Alright.
fucking dead.
And it's done.
Oh, drop.
Alright.
So it's not.
Alright, it's working. Keyword's working.
Yeah, keywords are working.
It's not
Maybe for you.
Q.
Imagine carding product.
Damn, chat is
Damn, they
thick
flew,
right
bro.
now.
Already?
Yeah.
Damn, what the
They're
hell?
all cocked.
God damn, what, they have 15 fucking stock? Payment failed?
Nova's
Question
in
mark?
here.
I got two
Mine are in
stock.
products. So.
Wow, one of them said size not found. Random was the cook, I guess.
Yeah, that's what I told you to.
Yeah, random was.
I'm just gonna go cry. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
In about 3 minutes, the Fear of God raids are going to drop the black version this time, and these kind of look like bricks right now, so I'm not trying to get more than 3 pairs because the resale on this looks pretty bad, but I'm still gonna try to go for them anyways. If I'm able to get a few, then I'll be able to make a couple of bucks, so let's get started. Holy crap, is that really how fast they make payment attempts? This is... what? Is that real?
Bottle for bottle for bottle for bottle. You really don't fuck with the motto. I know that you're lying when you say you love me. I guess that's a hard pill to swallow. Please, please take me back. I promise I didn't really mean to say all that. The blood's thicker than water, and that's facts. So treat the past like a movie, make it fade to black.
Oh shit, my one clicks right now. Alright, finally I was able to get one of these. I caught a shock drop from Fear of God website. They dropped at like 11:10, which is such an odd time, and then I just... oh, concepts just dropped. No good sizes. Alright, quick L on that. So anyways, I copped it from the Nike Shoebot monitor, and boom, it just went through super smooth, and I was able to check out. I ended up with the size 9.5. Finally broke my L streak. I finally got a pair of shoes.
It's gotta be a different way. Girl, you got me in a maze. You keep playing all the games. The shit I don't wanna play. I've been running around for days. But you got me in a maze. Gotta be a different way. Gotta be a different way. I just wanted you to stay. Now that all I see is gray. Decomposing in decay. Could you take it all away? Could you take it all away? I just need some fucking rest. You out my head. Got me thinking I was dead.
Oh my god. Dude, I got it. Yes.
This is shit I do for love. Bitch, you have me feeling dumb now. Should've told you I was done. Cause you got me feeling numb now. This is shit I do for love. Bitch, you have me feeling shit I do for you. Nowadays finally come. He gets some courage from the juice. I just wanna see the stars. Geraphobic in the bars. To be alone is hard. Yeah. I'm a wreck. I'm obsessed, yes. But I'm not scared to let you go. Whoa, I'm a mess. I'm obsessed, but I guess that it's better than the
Cop one.
We smokeaholics who just don't.
Oh my god!
Way greener in the lawns, though.
Nice.
Fantastic drinkers in the longest friggin' hike back to home. And
I got a size 9. Come on, submit it. Come on. Submit order.
Got another one. Let's go. Yeah, I got mad declines too, and my manual bypass isn't working.
You guys are checking how to do manual or is it just bot?
I got a third one. Fuck yes. Because you locked it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got another one. I got one from Kodai. Yes.
Yes, bro. Good shit.
Just got another one. I'm on the fifth.
Another one?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Another one. I'm on the 6th one. Dude, this is...
Seeing through, got these problems, me and you. I do not know what to do. You acting like you really knew. You just broke my heart in two.
Alright, we made a few sales from Flight Club this week. We made a little bit of money. Let's check it out.
If you really tryna ride, yeah. I will rap that 6319365, yeah.
Alright, next week we have some absolute heat. Some Yeezys are gonna come out. Those are a must cop, must not fail. Hopefully we can get a bunch of them. We'll see you in the next episode.
Fuck with me, fuck around, fuck with you, yeah. What you think, what you want, what you do, yeah. These mistakes you made, hard to take away. I just got a problem trying to see it through. Seeing through, got these problems.